Hello students, today we will learn how to write a biographical sketch which is also called as a bio sketch. So today we will learn a biographical sketch or a bio sketch. Students, actually is the brief summary of a person's life. In simple words, is the bio data of a person's life, or actually about his whatever, about writing something about a person or about yourself. That is actually a biographical sketch. In simple words, a brief summary of a person's life, achievements, and it also includes professional, educational accomplishments, publications, and applications that highlight important aspect of your life, or of the person whom you are writing about graphical sketch. So students, a biographical sketch in simple word that you have to write the biodata of a person. You have to write everything that you know about a person, where he born, how when he born, what he did, what he achieved, what he has done in his life so far, how many rewards achieved. So actually learning those things in simple words, student, is what it is called, a bio sketch or a biographical sketch. So generally, and students, whatever he has achieved and what, everything you know that you have to write in a biographical sketch. This thing is quite important, keeping the examination in mind. So now student, we will see what you have to keep in mind while writing a biographical sketch, and what is the format of a biographical sketch. Students, here are the few rules which you have to keep it in mind while writing a biographical sketch. The rule number one, student, is actually that a biographical sketch is mostly written in third person. Third person written to means to say that you have to use a name or a pronoun of third person, such as he, she, it, or they, the plural pronoun of third person, or singular pronoun of third person you have to use as the subject or an object for the person you are writing a biographical sketch. If you are writing about yourself, then it's very obvious that you have to use the first person, but generally you are writing for someone else. So it's quite evident that you have to use third person. Then the rule number two is, students, is actually it should outline important events of person's life, including experiences, competencies, and interests. good man. And you have to write about him in a way, in an admiring way, that you are admiring him, her, it should not be despise. It must be admire and praising. You have to write everything in praising way. That's what it means. So these are the four rules that you have to keep it in mind while writing a bio sketch, student. And in bio sketch questions, you would give the you would get the hints in the question, and on the based on that, those hints, you have actually to construct sentences and full paragraphs in